So I tried replacing this puny battery, which doesn't hold a charge anymore, with a much bigger battery, like a much bigger battery. But unfortunately, it doesn't create enough thrust to get itself up in the air, because, well, I guess the battery's just way too heavy. So that's unfortunate. I'm thinking, I 3D print the chassis, extend the motors further out, and I get bigger propellers. Maybe that might work, but I'm a newbie to this hobby, so I don't really know much about it. It might not, the motors might not, it just might not be powerful enough to lift itself up with this weight of the battery. But I feel like if I put bigger propellers on there, I could maybe generate more lift. But I don't know, to somebody who's experienced with this, I probably sound like an idiot, and it's probably quite obvious that it won't work, or it will work, who knows, but won't know until I try it, so we'll see. For now, though, I'm pretty surprised that this battery that's from not even for a drone or whatever works. I mean, it is also just a 3.7 volt battery, though it's like 7.5 times the capacity of this one. So it's much heavier. This can't lift itself up, so I'll see. I really want to get this to work, because otherwise this battery doesn't hold a charge anymore, so then it's pretty useless. So we'll see if I can modify it, make a completely new drone out of these parts. But I'm gonna have to buy propellers, bigger propellers, because I can't 3D print them. They're too intricate, especially with like the angle of the blades and everything. I don't think I can't 3D print them, at least with my printer, because it sucks with small prints. Like I tried printing legs, like motor mounts for this drone, but you can see they turned out horribly. So yeah, we'll see if I can find propellers that fit on these motors. Until then, I'm gonna keep messing around with this.